In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Hello, my dear students of Class Center. Assalamu alaikum. As in earlier lecture, in a previous lecture, I told you in next lecture we will learn about the Précis writing. So, my dear students, so before commencing this lecture or commencing this Précis writing study, so first we have to understand the importance of Précis writing. So my dear students, Précis writing is a very important skill to get the gist of the knowledge from the passage. As you know that the Précis writing is included in competitive examination like CSS, PCS and PMS. Without Précis writing and essay writing, the CSS competitions are what are the competitions any aspirant is unable to qualify for written examination. Even he or she qualify other subjects. So we have to understand the what is a Précis. Précis means to concise, to brief, to produce in a concise form, to produce to the point in your own words of the writer or of the given passage. So as I told you importance of the Précis writing, here I would share you some hints or gist of the Précis writing. So first hints in nutshell, understand the given passage well. It means you have to understand. Unless you understand the passage well, you will not be able to understand its title. Its title, it means its topic. It means what the passage is about. So in Précis writing, we have just given the passage, and we are asked to find out the title and key points and write the Précis on it. It means we have to write 1/3 of the original passage. It means 1/3 of the original passage. So it means to understand the given passage well, and it's our responsibility to find the title, it means topic, and important points that we call it key points of the passage. Mark or underline the points or ideas. And second, mark or underline the points or ideas that I have shared you the key points. Prepare a rough draft in your own words, avoiding every superfluity. Prepare a rough draft in your own. In a rough draft, you have to keep out the topic and find out the topic, what the passage is about, and what are the important points that the writer has discussed to us, and we have to note it down on the separate page or rough. And then after, number 4, give only the views of the authors of the passage. So this is a very important point. We have just the understand the views of the passage of the writer. We have to note the copy. We have not to imitate the writer's original words or original points in our Précis writing. This will be different. This is our own writing in a precise form, in a concise form, and we have to just use the ideas or purpose of the writer. What is the purpose of the writer to give us? That we have to write only. It means we have to write 1/3 of the original passage. Use only indirect form of speech. So keep in your mind, my dear students, these are very important points I am going to share you. Use only indirect form of speech. It means indirect form of, as you know, the narration, direct speech and direct speech. You have to use indirect speech. You have to third person and past tense. So we have to prefer the third person, as we know that the third person, he, she, it and they. So we we have not used the first person and second person, because we have to avoid the these two person and direct speech. Number 6, what says, be careful of the opening sentence of your précis. It is important. So opening sentence of a précis, it means how do you begin or commencing and the précis writing. So this is very important, that will stick to the checker as well. Number 7, mark the central idea in each paragraph. If you have given the more than one paragraph, so you have to mark, you have to underline the central idea, means main idea of the paragraph. Okay. Number 8, your précis should be simple. So here you have to note it down here. Précis should be simple, concise means brief, to the point, clear, and coherent narrative. Coherent, it means a related point. So there should not be, if you are writing one idea or one point and using supporting this point from another point, this is not. So that you have to define the point that the writer has given or used in the paragraph. You have to use, it means you have to precise the writer's paragraph. You have not bring out the ideas from other sources. So because it is prohibited to you that to use out of the ideas. Okay. And 9th, revise your draft keeping in view the above points. If you have once you have noted down the topic sentence, you key points, if you think that these key points should be concise, if these points have to concise, furthermore to concise it, as soon as you concise these points, it's better for you. The more you concise, the more précis will be acceptable for you. Don't forget to give a suitable title to your speech. It means suitable title means topic sentence. You must have to give the title, means the title means the paragraph or the passage is about this point or this topic as well. So these I have shared you important points to you, my dear students. Now we have to understand here so here we have to give the paragraph. I would read it out and you must try to understand how these points are extricated and how to choose the title. Okay, how to make the rough draft and how to further concise this rough draft as well. Exercise 1, we should face the facts as they exist. We are multilingual unless you know about the vocabulary. Okay, vocabulary play a crucial or vital role in the précis writing. So you must about the aware about, you must know about the vocabulary. Unless you know the vocabulary, you are not able to understand the idea of the writer. It is true and very poor country too. The fear of getting employment or not getting employment springs out of the poverty of ours, but when we took courage in both our hand and begin to work, poverty would vanish. And then those languages which have created a narrow regional space instead of being the curse that they seem to us today, it would function as a magnificent vehicle of the expression for the rich variety of cultural pattern and modes of living and thought that we have developed. Let us hope that the day dawns very soon. A regional language is the medium. So now this is the key points. You have to find out about the key points of instruction and facilitate the process of education. It helps the child to learn with ease and interest. But if it is thought on unwilling melody used in another allied language, because if one who doesn't know the same language, okay, so try to clarify from another language, it can vitiate the very process of education. It is supposed to help and would create difficulty of socio-political nature. So here used vocabulary, multilingual means many languages, springs means comes, arises, vanish, disappear, regional means belong to area, magnificent mana wonderful, vehicle mean medium. So these are the words, because we have to know about it. So these are words. Now points the right in here choose it here. So one point is our is a multilingual and very poor country. This is the main important point. Once we wipe out, it means that we get rid of poverty. The language can be great assist to us. A regional language can enable the child to learn with ease and interest. These are 3 points. And fourth, if the language is forced upon the unwilling population, it check rather than help the process of education. These are 4 points that have choose it from it. So in your exercise you can also make several points, and you in the first draft and in second draft you will also concise them. So here it is written, our country though poor yet has many languages, if with effort and dedication we are able to wipe out. This is the passage. This is a précis. So now you see that this is a 1/3 of the original passage. Now title has chosen that the education and regional languages. So first title is our multilingual state abolishing. Okay, so this is you know that the key points have selected, and title is also our topic is selected, choose it, and also written as a precise form. Okay, my dear students. So now you have to practice like this, and I am going to give you from the textbook. You have make the first draft and second draft. You have to choose the key points and give the title. This is also homework to you, and don't write the précis. First you practice to find the title and key point. This is enough for you for the beginning. Okay, so your homework is on page number 38. Précis. Summarize the following passage from 90 to 100 words. Okay, you are given the words. So in this paragraph you have to find the key points. Okay, you have to first find make the draft and use key points and find the title. So you have just only read out the paragraph and try to understand it. Unless you understand it, you will not be able to find the ideas about the writer or passage. So what you have to do, read out the paragraph and understand it, and then after you make the draft, keep out the important point, key points, then after find the title. That is the homework for you as well. Thank you, my dear students.